All right, guys, so let's go over your IXLs that you were assigned last night for homework. Go ahead and go to the 6th grade, log into IXL, go to 6th grade R.1, or you can check your IXLs in your notebook. We're going to go over how to write a ratio to describe objects in a picture. So what I want you to do is I wanted you to write the question down. If you did not write the question down for your IXLs, please make sure that you do write the question down as long as it's not a very lengthy question. Okay? And then they want you, so let's go ahead, let's back up for a second and read the question. It says, what is the ratio of brown pentagon prisms to total pentagon prisms? So a total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, but they just want us to know just the brown ones. So out of 4 total, which will be our second number in our ratio, how many brown ones are there? So there are 3 brown ones to 4 total pentagonal prisms. Okay, same with this one. What is the ratio of purple chairs to red chairs? Well, we have 2 purple chairs, we have 1 red chair, so it should be 2 to 1. What is the ratio of green frogs to the total of frogs? So there's 1 green frog to the total of 2. And your ratio will always go in order of whichever one they're asking first to whichever one they're asking second. So what is the ratio of blue paper clips? So that will be your first number, 1, 2, 3, to total paper clips. So there's 8 paper clips, so your first will be 3 to 8. Right? So let's go ahead and review R.1. So I'm going to go back to 6th grade. And let's do R.1. Oh, we did R.1. Let's do R.2, sorry. This is where you write a ratio using the word problem. So Zackstown voted on a new law. There were 35 votes in favor of the law and 15 votes against the law. So what is the ratio of numbers of votes against the law to the number of votes in favor of the law? So the number of votes against the law was 15. The number in favor was 35, so it would be 15 to 35. Xing baked 3 brownies with nuts on top and 3 brownies without nuts. What is the ratio of the number of brownies without nuts to the number of brownies with nuts on top? So make sure that you are reading these word problems carefully so you know which number to put first. So without nuts would be 3 and with nuts would be 3. So we have a 3 to 3 ratio, which as a fraction would just be 1 whole. Okay? So we just went over your R.1 and R.2. If you did not do IXL R.1 and R.2, please make sure that you do that by tomorrow. I will be checking those in the gradebook. So go ahead and exit out of this and you can do the next thing on your math agenda.